Good morning, DJ. It is Tuesday, March 31st. The time is currently 9:15 a.m. DJ, it is a bloody good morning. Woke up today at like around 7:50, yeah, 7:50-ish, 7:54-ish. Or I did get moving until about like around 8. Got to do like just about half of my morning routine, and then I had to do the things that humans do. You know how that goes. We digress and we progress. Arrived at my desk at 9:13. As always, my weekly target is 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to continue to grow or and get 1% better in these markets and these charts. Um, yeah, still tired, still mentally drained, still physically drained. That hasn't changed, but we're here, we digress. I also want to add, DJ, that I was very happy and pleased with my performance yesterday, all day yesterday, because regardless of how I was feeling outside, when I came inside the market, I stuck to my procedure and protocols and didn't let, my fatigueness, right, distract me or take me away from my processes. So just want to add that in there. Pat yourself on the back, girl. You did great. Anyway, risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News is NFP Tuesday. All right, we have high and medium impact news coming out today. All right, so we have news today making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today, we're at 0.5 of account size and we have a max of 1.5. Weekly program going to this week is a sell program and it has been confirmed. We'll go ahead and review price action overnight, right? See when things happen to change that for us or reaffirm, confirm our weekly program. Dollar. All right, dollar came up, took buy side here. Okay, I want to see some sort of a retracement. We do have inefficiencies here. Trying to come. Yeah, there is a gap there. What's the open? That's close. What's the close? 99864 was the open. 99. 99864. We have that, and we have this one below price, right, to keep price going higher. T-bonds, all right, we took that buy side here. I want to see how price behave in this and potentially targeting up here in the remainder of this inefficiency here. Okay, so paying attention there. So as far as my current understanding of price action goes, dollar still risk off scenario for me, meaning dollar higher, everything else should be going lower. MNQ, Dow, ES, all right, all the averages dropping down. Okay, as you can see, Dow's coming into its premium array. I want to see how price behaves in here, potentially keep going down. And ES also coming into its Dow's already inside its premium array. ES not inside it yet. NQE though, they're lagging behind. All right, I did say yesterday that I wanted to this could potentially also create an inefficiency here, and that's exactly what it did. So potentially you want to see a retracement back in here, all right, to continue lower. So as far as my current understanding of price action goes, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program. Plus, we've taken Monday's low, all right, which confirms my sell program for the week. So let's get that one here. Oh, hold up. Hold up, DJ. We haven't confirmed yet on here for me, actually. Yeah, no. Yeah, we haven't confirmed because it is 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. So it has to come and take Monday's low. It hasn't taken Monday's low, but technically it's taking Monday's low. If that makes sense or doesn't make sense. Based on 6 p.m., it's taking Monday's low, but based on 12 a.m. to 12 a.m., it hasn't taken Monday's low. So we we still haven't have had a confirmed bias using Monday's range yet. So that was a bit confusing, but yeah, we figured it out. Good morning, good morning.
Buenos días, buenos días.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien, aquí estamos.
Bien, bien. How do you
Lunes.
say can't complain?
Ah, no se puede negar.
Oh, yeah, he lost me. No what? No se puede.
No se puede
Uh-huh.
negar.
No se puede negar.
Ajá,
Yeah, I'm gonna have to say that a few times.
it happens. Did you end up watching the end of that game yesterday?
No, but I saw the score was 2-1. I saw Ghana versus Germany, yeah?
Last second last couple minutes they scored.
Yeah. It was a PK the first goal, no?
No, I think the first goal. Oh, I don't know. I think it was
Remember, I couldn't watch it. They only gave me like a 2-minute preview.
yeah, you're right. I forgot.
Now, let's give you a taste of what you could have if you had this. Uh,
Oh boy.
yeah, I know that feeling.
Tired.
Oh, something's gonna give, but it's gonna be a yeah.
All right, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's mark up this chart real quick. Damn,
Yeah.
they wicked out crazy.
But where?
Like it just wicked. Like there's like the wicks are way bigger than the body.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, so we ran previous day low already.
So tiny dealing range here.
Yeah. And a 1 hour order block from 8 a.m. yesterday. This is real small.
Yep.
I mean, what I would like to see, what I'm looking at right now is if it takes dealer in buy side.
Hmm.
Because we took previous day low already, um, it could go into this 1 hour order block, and then I catch that retracement. That
1 hour from yesterday, right? 8 a.m.
yeah, yeah. So I look for price to come into here. Let me see. Does it give me? It gives me 100 points for sure. Yeah. This might be a good trade if it gives it. And then my TP would be 100 points, but because my overall is bearish, like I would like to see it come back down. But I'll just take the 100 points if it gives it to me. 100 points is it's a good area to stop at because that's where maybe you could catch a continuation trade, you know?
Very right.
Yeah.
Can't be too greedy. Take what you get. Get out.
So what do we do during London? During Asia? Asia we bought, London we consolidated. I think today's the last day I'm gonna be in this group.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
When does it rebuild?
Tuesdays.
Tuesdays?
Every Tuesday. So
Oh, it's a weekly thing, but
yeah, it's 25 a week.
oh, okay, okay.
I feel like if I were to have done it like 100, like I would have felt that all more at once. Like 25, I don't feel it really.
Right. It's like a little pinch. You don't feel that.
Exactly. Freaking Wi-Fi been going out and shit.
Oh yeah? Well, you back home?
Yeah, it's just I guess like they changed it. I don't know.
Turn this AC down, bro. Cold.
AC is crazy. Hell no.
Don't worry, soon you'll have those problems.
So we technically been at a 4 hour order block right now.
Ding, 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 ding. 9:30 open. We out here. We out here. We are kicking off. Open range gap is below price, so we gapped up. So we have a premium gap. Let's see if we take buy side today. Oh, let's adjust this bad boy.
Let's see.
Well, dealing range, we have AM session buy side for Monday and Monday's high. All right, taking daily range buy side, biases for the session is confirmed as buys. See how today goes. Where did I move that thing to?
I in a good spirit.
You said you're in a good spirit?
I'm singing a song.
Oh, oh.
In a good spirit.
Mhm. Oh, let's make
Off
sure.
of a wick, off of the wick, it did give an entry, but yeesh.
The 1 hour order block,
Yeah.
not interested in that.
Uh, I didn't mark up the wick. I wanted to see it come a little bit more in, but just watching right now. I mean, that first initial one was really quick. 2 minutes. It was at that price, but I didn't have it marked up, so. Uh,
It gives me a retracement setup here. I'll be interested. Waiting on the market structure shift here. Just one contract will take that.
we have a 1 minute confirmation of a sell, but it gave 50 points already.
On the 1 minute.
Yeah. Let's see. You're gonna come up a little bit higher, maybe give a better entry. Oh. Coming back to give an entry or what? All right.
Coming back.
Yeah. Let's see. Patience. Let's see.
Ooh, sure, timbers.
Okay, we in profit. Let me put how do I
You entered?
yeah.
Hmm. Why you saying yeah like that?
Yeah. I don't know how you want me to say it.
I'm in there.
I'm in there like somewhere. I just love to say it.
I'm thinking it's gonna reverse and takes outside because it's just like too clean here. But let's see, let's see, let's see.
All right. I got my orders in. I got my stop loss in. We better hit TP1.
Let's go.
Come on, you right there. You right Come
Give
on.
it to her. Let's go. Come on, man.
You was not too far. What we doing? What we doing? Can't wait to move to Florida.
I can't wait for you.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, wait.
Who's right there? Come on. TP1. That's going on. Okay, sitting in my hands. Everything is
Yep.
done.
Yep,
In
it's out of your hands. It's out of your hands. We accept the risk that comes with trading. Well, on to the next setup already.
yes, ma'am. We in a good spirits. You like soccer or no?
Not too much of it, like an overload, but yeah, like 10, 15 minutes, yeah.
Alice said, "Don't take me to no Sweet 16. I'm
Yeah.
dying in Sweet 16."
Like when we go to carnival and they're just overloading it, that's when it gets too much for me.
Mm. I've never been to carnival, so I can't say nothing.
Yeah. Everything in moderation, you know what I'm saying? That's me.
Yeah, I think my guy has been too focused on like the lifestyle, I feel like.
Mm,
He's not really trading right.
it's clouded his judgment, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, like in general, like, he keeps pushing for people to work with him one-on-one, and it's like, people, the one-on-one is really like he's gonna just give you all of the course material that you could get for the low skis, but he's charging you 4 bands to have access to him.
For 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 wow.
Yeah, so it's like really and truly though, like right now, like he hasn't really gotten the greatest trades. Like they're just like I just get in trades or
Right.
you know what I'm saying? So it's
And
like
if you're gonna put a price tag like that on yourself, you have to be showing the people, yo, I'm worth this price point, Like, I don't know. Ooh, 4 bands, that's a tad too much. Shit. God damn. And he's had a bad couple weeks now. Yeah.
he stopped even posting like his profit and loss shit.
Oh, really? Yikes.
And he'll put like, oh, like I might have taken an L, but like the team is still eating. Like, like people in the
Right.
group will be posting shit. And like listen, like I get it. Everybody goes through a dry spell, but like the difference between the difference in a lot of people is like you and I, we might have like a bad week, but we go back and we look at what we could have done better or where we could
Yep.
have gotten better, like
Mhm.
the effort's there to try to just get better. Like when you're like him who has people paying for
Mhm.
shit, there's no requirement for it. So does
Yeah,
that
yeah.
make
He's
it good?
making money from people, subscribing and shit. So he doesn't really need to be making money trading. Yeah, yeah.
And
That's how that's how
he
it gets.
just apply, just apply for mentorship. Like everybody's gonna get accepted. If as long as they got the money, everybody's gonna get accepted.
Hmm.
So,
That's what this industry is full of, though, It's sad, but
full of 'em.
uh,
Like damn, I just wanna go for a run, do my trading, and call it a day. But shit, I can't
yeah, for
right
real.
now.
For real.
I'm like even afraid to sweat because I don't want it to get infected or anything.
Your toe, yeah?
Yeah.
Have you been putting something on it, like ointment or something? No.
Just like water and salt and like lemon.
Mhm.
Lemon kills like the bacteria and stuff. Because the last time I had that happen to me, like it wasn't as bad as this time, but last time it happened, I just put lemon and I was like constantly like pushing my cuticles back. Because that's
Mhm.
why like the toes like take forever to grow, you know? It's
Yeah.
because you're not constantly taking care of it.
Yeah. I mean, I've lost my pinky toe. What is this? My left foot. Is it my left foot? Yeah, it's my left foot.
Did it grow back though?
Nah, it goes back. It goes back, but like it does it's never grown back normal, Like it goes back very, very weird. But yeah, I lost it playing football in Ghana actually.
Yeesh.
Yeah, hit the ground, toe came clean off. Well, actually, it didn't come clean off actually. My mistake was that like I was fiddling with it, and I took it off. Like maybe if I just left it there, it would have grown normally, but like I took it off prematurely.
Yeah. Nah, I
Yeah,
feel that.
I've had fucked up toes ever since.
Cut it out.
Yeah.
Cut it out. Nah, last time I had that happen, like they grew back normal. Um, they actually looked better after they grew back than they did before.
Oh, really?
Don't do too
Funny.
mad, but um, I mean, hopefully this time around it do
The
the
same thing happens. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If we take this market structure shift here, I'll be interested in a retracement sell. Come in, it's coming.
we rejecting that 1 hour OB and Price is rejecting a 15-minute OB. Let me see what the 5 minute looks like. There's a little 5 minute order block, but I don't really give a fuck about that. Those little lower time frames is what it is. Ooh, I don't like that push. It's fine. Push and then drop.
Yeah.
Those
Please.
last orders. Get those last orders.
Please and thank you.
Let's see what we doing, what we doing, what we doing. Oh my goodness.
Did you get a decent rest last night then?
I got a better rest for sure. Some weird ass dreams though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You remember them? Mhm.
I just know I woke up and I was like, what the fuck? I just dream. We gotta hit stop loss. We're about 15, 10 points, 12 points,
Some points.
13 points, 12 points. Oh boy.
Marcus said, "Welcome back. Welcome back."
Bink. I do see smacking my stop loss, and
Mm.
then I mean,
Tanking?
nah. So again on the 4 hour, remember that candle pattern I was telling you about yesterday, the morning star?
Yeah.
On the 4 hour it created it. So at 10 p.m. last night we had a small bearish candle. That 2 a.m. candle on the 4 hour is like a little doji, you could say.
Mm-hmm.
Very
Mm-hmm.
small body. And then you have this big. If this closes at 10 o'clock like this, that 1 hour order block is gonna become a breaker for me.
All right.
And then I look to continue it higher as long as we if we close above it, you know.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I got 2 bullets left.
He's still in this one, though, no? No?
I am still in. It keeps flirting with literally like where my stop loss is right where it keeps flirting with it.
Mm.
So
After this bullet, you still have 2 bullets left, you said?
yeah,
All right. So 3 bullets. Yeah.
3 bullets in this right now. Definitely looks like it wants to go bullish.
Yeah, well, it did take buy side, so we'll
It,
confirm
it,
buy, so let's see where it goes.
it did take me out.
How does it feel?
It's all right. Why is this not going? Okay. All right, so the sell idea was uh, if it could close right here, 10 o'clock, I'd be a little bit more interested. I'll wait till 10.
All right.
I really didn't have anything for a buy anywhere here.
Me neither, to be honest.
There's a 4 hour order block, but price wasn't closed yet.
Yeah.
So that 4 hour order block turns breaker technically. And now this 1 hour order block turns breaker as well, as long as we close where we are. So didn't really have much for a continuation to the upside.
We in the same boat there.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see.
Happy Tuesday! Ah, fucking hell. As soon as you close your eyes, you have to wake up again. Fucking hell, man. Another day, keep trying though. Oh, taking buy side, heading to my drone liquidity.
Good night, friend. And a good spirit. So I'm stuck in my head.
What, the song?
Yeah. Bro, Tiger Woods is retarded.
What? He crashed his car again, no?
Yeah.
DUI, drunk driving, whatever the hell he had going on.
Yeah.
Look, previous daily high. Real quick run through it. All right, so now our weekly program is confirmed as buys, DJ. Buy program, because we're taking Monday's high, going against our higher time frame. So let's see how this week plays out, DJ. But we have a confirmed weekly program.
Right. This is where I would want to get an entry.
So you gain an entry
Yeah.
for buys or for
Buys.
sells?
Buys,
For buys.
yeah. Because there's a breaker right here on the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, from
Friday.
second. Yeah, Friday at 11 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna try to take this to give us 100 points. Oh my God. Oh, body hurts. Oh man, oh man.
4 more minutes to make some shake.
We're gonna come all the way back down?
Mhm. Let's go retrace somehow.
We've overtaken all order blocks. They're really, unless he wants to get a deeper retracement, that's the only thing I could think of. Yeah, I wanted that deep retracement into it.
Are you in the trade right now?
Nah.
Oh,
I would have liked to have gotten in. I was going to, but actually, no, I wouldn't have liked to go in.
yeah, no, I was about to say, well, I'm going against you.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this market structure shift to confirm a retracement setup. Nothing yet, nothing yet, nothing yet. Hold your horses. X gonna throw me off, bro. Extend that this way. Two more minutes. Is it gonna give it to me? There we go. All right. Limit set. See if I get in here.
Picking this up?
Yeah, tagged me in. Out me hands. Let's see how it goes. 81. So 82.
Oh man.
Clean lows down here. Clean lows.
Yeah, this might be a good point to get in for a continuation buy.
Back to that breaker.
Hmm?
I said it's back in that breaker.
Yeah, yeah, it gave a deeper. I like my odds. Two bullets.
Hmm.
I'll take it. Let me see, let me see, let me see. I cleared in my trading time, so I'm actually not taking shit.
Good for you. I wasn't gonna say nothing.
It's not in my trading time, so I ain't taking nothing.
Good shit. Good shit.
I'm just gonna watch it. Just gonna watch it.
Let's see what I do.
Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh man.
About to take a L here.
TP1 got hit on that trade
Yes, sir.
that I didn't take.
That's fine. Nothing wrong with that.
But I did give an entry at
Between before 10:10, right?
yeah 10:08,
Yeah.
10:09, 10:10. If we give an entry, so we'll see what we get. See if it gives TP2 or if it gives TP1 got hit, so TP2 right around the corner. Come on. What have you heard about Take Profit Trader?
Take profit trader? Nothing.
Take Profit. So for a 25K account is 150 a month.
150 or 115?
No, 150 for 25K.
What?
3 contracts, 30 micros. Daily last minute is removed. End of day trailing drawdown 1500. Be consistent, no trading bots, no counter positions. Okay. You can use Ninja Trader Prop, Tradeovate, or Trading View. Price came all the way back down to entry. Your take profit funded journey. Pro Pro is sim withdrawals day one, profit split 80/20. Pro Plus live day one, 90/10 profit split, maximum number of accounts 5/5, maximum withdrawal amount, no max, buffer requirement. There is day loss, end of drawdown, intraday. Consistency rule none.
I don't like those prices though. I do not like those prices.
From the Better Business Bureau, it has an A+ rating as of March 9th.
Oh yeah. March 9th this month?
Yeah, 2026. Let me look into this. I probably won't be on DJ tomorrow or Thursday.
Where you go going on?
Tomorrow, me and Sav might go to the Museum of Natural History.
Hmm.
On Thursday, if I'm on, I'm probably only gonna be on till about like 10:30, or I could just move it to my phone. Um, but I'm gonna move my practice from 5 p.m. to the
Hmm.
morning.
On Thursday? Oh, I
Yeah,
mean it's spring break for the kids, right?
yeah. So I was thinking, why not just like have them come during the day,
Yeah.
little day session, and then everybody could just be chilling at night into Good Friday.
Yeah.
We off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, yeah, and then next week, He hasn't asked me if I want to work the clinic, so I haven't said nothing yet.
Hmm.
If he
Sounds
doesn't
good.
ask me, then I'll be here. If he asks me, then I'll be there.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan.
What's usually the where do you usually find the
The payout stuff,
yeah,
usually in the FAQs.
okay. I know something. I am a good spirit. It doesn't really. Windmere, Florida. Where's
Where the
that?
hell is that?
Windermere, Florida?
Yeah.
Uh,
And what's there?
that's where this is based out of.
Oh. Oh, the prop firm?
Right
How
outside
did
of Orlando.
how did you hear about them?
I've seen like the girl that I used to follow and be in her group, she had Take Profit Trader.
Ah, got you.
So I
And
was
she was getting payouts from them? Okay, all right. So they're legit.
yeah. You can so it says our pro so hold on. How does simulation work? Test and probe accounts. Where do my orders go? From the moment you connect to the data feed of one of our providers, all orders risk management fields are handled on their side. These parties are regulated under direct CME. What does CME mean?
Chicago Mercantile something something.
Okay. Approved providers who use their in-house technology to execute your orders as if it were the live market. Take Profit does not internalize orders, play counterparty to any trades, use software to manipulate pricing or anything with malicious intent. Okay. Are pro accounts sim? Yes, all pro accounts are simulated. Your orders will not go to the exchange, but they are still sent to our providers who handle the orders. Their software simulates live market conditions, and you get an almost identical experience as you would in the live market.
As you would in the live market.
Are the profits I make in sim paid in real money? Absolutely. While your pro account operates in a simulated environment, the profits inside that account are simulated. Once you withdraw, the profits paid to you are absolutely real. You can initiate withdrawals from your pro account on the first day, and the profits will be paid out either through an automated process via Plaid to US bank accounts or via PayPal or Wise, typically within one business day.
So you just make money and you can withdraw. Is there like a criteria to initiate payout?
That's what I'm looking for.
It's Chicago Mercantile Exchange. I don't know how you say the M word.
Mercantile?
Yeah, Mercantile? Is that Mercantile?
Let me see.
It's something Mercantile.
Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
Yeah, that.
is a major financial exchange based in Chicago, Illinois, and is part of the larger CME group, which also includes the Chicago Board of Trade, New York Mercantile Exchange, and Commodity Exchange. Originally founded in 1898 as the Chicago Butter and Egg Board, it primarily facilitated trading in agricultural products like wheat and corn. In 1919, it adopted the name Chicago Mercantile Exchange and later expanded into financial futures, interest rate contracts, and other asset platform classes. CME provides a centralized platform for trading derivatives, including futures and options on commodities, currencies, interest rates, equity indexes, energy, metals, and even cryptocurrencies. Futures contracts are legally binding agreements to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price on a future date, while options give the right but not the obligation to execute such transactions. The exchange also plays a critical role in price discovery, risk management, and liquidity for global financial markets. Through its electronic trading platform, CME Globe X, the exchange allows participants worldwide to trade efficiently, while CME Clearing acts as a counterparty to all clear transactions, ensuring security and reducing counterparty risk. Over time, CME has evolved from a regional agricultural market into the world's largest and most diverse derivatives marketplace, influencing global financial and commodity markets. All right.
If I say, all right, CME. CME, let's go. All right. Learning with my stock here. They're having a nice conversation.
Your stop is previous day high, correct?
Yeah, yeah, right there.
Yeah. I It's a big candle.
Mhm.
Knowledge base about us, how it works. That's not that's not what I want.
10:30, first hour of trading is behind us.
Um, So it says get 40% off for life and never pay an activation fee. Ah, I like this. I like this. We got into where we want to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm looking at no fee 40 promo, frequently asked questions. How does the no fee 40 promo work? During the no fee 40 limited time promo, you'll get 40% off, lifetime discount off any account, and have your $130 pro account activation fees waived on that account for life. What happens if I reset? Even if you reset, you will not lose your waived activation fees. Your activation fees are waived for life. Doesn't matter if you reset once, twice, or however many times. You'll never pay an activation fee on that active account. Are there any additional fees to get funded? No, there are no additional fees to get funded. You can get funded for just the cost of your initial test. For example, if you bought a 50K test and you pass without a reset in your first 30 days, you'd be getting into your pro account just for your initial test fee. What happens if I don't pass during this promo? It doesn't matter how long it takes you pass the test. Your activation fee for the account is still waived. There is no time limit. Okay. Let's go to frequently asked questions. So what's one of those it says take profit trader universal trading policies, independent trade execution policy, trade copier policy, commissions on test and pro accounts. Is that the one?
Commissions,
Yeah.
untested pro accounts.
Yeah.
I don't know. It sounds like it could be it.
Commissions are the same for all our permitted products. Future contracts $5 per round trip per contract.
Oh
Micro.
no, commission that you pay on the trades, I guess
Uh,
is what they say. If I
pay.
understood that correctly. All right, finally took me out. Thank you very much.
That means it hit my TP2. You don't want to push up?
Gives me another opportunity here. I would be in there like somewhere.
Okay. Upon successful completion of your trading test, you will have to sign your pro trader contract. Additionally, we kindly request your prompt completion of the power of attorney form. What is a power of attorney form? It is crucial to emphasize that at this stage, when prompted to sign the power of attorney denoting POA, you are in the process of creating your pro account and have not yet reached the pro plus account level. The reason we request your signature on the POA form is to ensure that any potential upgrade to a pro plus account will proceed smoothly and efficiently. All traders transitioning to pro accounts must fully complete and sign the POA form before the official opening of the pro account. The POA is a crucial document required for the opening of a Pro Plus account with Tradeaway or designated broker at Take Profit. Do I have to sign a POA form even if I do not use NinjaTrader? Yes, in order to create a pro account, all blah 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 blah. That's not really answering my question.
Yeah, not at all.
So here you can have an LLC though.
Oh, yeah?
It says LLC payouts. For payouts to an LLC, you must use Wise. You may send the funds either to your Wise account or from Wise to any US or international bank account. You may also use PayPal for LLC payments if your LLC has an established PayPal account.
I like that. I like the sound of that. They piqued my attention with that one.
That's interesting. So I guess that's why maybe people do use it.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
I mean, something to look into. I feel like,
I'm in a cell.
yeah.
Yeah, give me another opportunity. Time is there, so
So you're
exit.
gonna use 10:30 as another additional time?
Well, it took me out of the other one,
Yeah.
and yeah, 10:30 is a trading time for me.
Okay.
9:50. Yeah, it's only for a specific kind of entry for 10:30. So they gave it to me, so took it.
All right.
Well, we lost there. It was 148.
Damn, we're almost all the way back at entry.
But it gave you 75, yeah?
Yeah.
Where would stop had been entry or 25
Entry.
entry. So then you'll be taking you out there
Yeah, it'd be taking me out where price is right now.
after two partials. All right.
All good in the hood.
Yep, yep.
Um, That I don't get. Alright, this I don't need. Okay. Okay, so what is a Pro Plus account? Pro Plus accounts are live accounts that have a $0 margin. Upon transitioning to a Pro account, the trader is classified as a professional trader. How do I become eligible for a Pro Plus account? Once a trader becomes eligible for a Pro Plus account upgrade, an official invitation will be sent via email by the Take Profit Trader team. Please note that the decision to upgrade a trader to a Pro Plus account is made solely at the discretion of Take Profit Trader. Benefits of a Pro Plus account: 90-10 profit split, where the trader keeps 90% of the profits. Trader directly routed to the exchange, not on the sim or copy traded. No buffer zone requirement for withdrawal, end of day drawdown. Okay, so why don't we go look at what a pro account is? Here you will find the rules for pro accounts. This will be in the pro contract we send you as well. No trading bots, algos. We do not allow an automated or bot trading of any kind. All trades must be manually executed by the trader. Avoid the limit up and down. Understanding market price limits. Futures and related markets can reach limit up or limit down levels, triggering circuit breakers. This limits how far the market can go in a single day. Currently, daily price limits can be found on the CME website. Trader responsibility. You must exit all open positions before a price limit is reached. If the market approaches a limit, our company must hedge against traders holding positions near those levels. Account liquidation. If a price limit is hit and you have not exited your position, you will lose your pro account. Trader,
Wow.
is that bad?
I mean, it's not bad. It's just strict, and I mean, they have to be. So,
So if a price limit is hit, you have not exited your position, you will lose your pro account. Trade your account. Weekly trading requirement. To keep your pro account active, you must trade at least 1 day per calendar week, Sunday to Friday.
trade at least one within the 7 days.
A traded day is defined as a day where at least one round trip has been executed on any permitted instrument. What does one round trip mean? Like a buy,
Just
sell?
yeah, yeah, just like one buy, just
Okay.
one trade, one side. Yeah.
Purpose of this rule: ensure traders remain active and do not keep capital idle or squat on a pro account. Okay. Exceptions. Life circumstances may prevent trading. Contact support if needed, a temporary exception. No counter positions. You cannot hold open positions in opposite directions within the same product or closely related products. This applies across all account types. Test Pro, Pro Plus. Intraday trailing drawdown. How the drawdown works. The trailing drawdown is calculated intraday using your peak balance, which includes realized gains and unrealized gains. The drawdown trails intraday as your unrealized profit rise. The drawdown will never exceed your starting account balance, maximum with drawdown and pro, maximum drawdown from your past test. For example, a $25,000 pro account drawdown 1,500. If unrealized profit reaches 1,000, your minimum account balance rises to 24,500 in real time. If you close the trade with a $500 realized gain, your balance becomes 25,500, but your minimum remains 24,500.
Does that make sense to you?
I'm lost.
Yeah, I didn't understand. That's why I asked if that makes sense to you. I just got -1 on this trade here.
We love it. We love it. We love it. Yeah, my entry would have been hit.
Six, so still down what? $50 on the day? All right, fair. Cool. they had me at the LLC, being able to trade with the company. That's where they had me. Everything else, I don't know, but just for that reason, when I'm ready, I might hit them up.
I mean, so what I'm getting from it is if like let's say right now you're in a trade, right? And you hit like $1,000,
Mhm.
right? So
Mhm.
that means that instead of your drawdown, so on a $25,000 account, you're allowed to hit 23,500. That's where you will get taken out, right?
Mhm.
So now in here, let's just say you reach 26,000. Now you just put yourself at 20, your minimum account balance. Instead of it being 23,500, it's now 24,500 because you
It went higher.
went up to 26.
Oh, okay. So they
But
trail.
even if you close the trade with, let's just say 500, so you close
Yeah.
at 25,500,
Yeah.
your minimum is still 24,500.
All right. So it stays at the highest peak, wherever is at. Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, this is why I just got taken out of the trade, hit terminus. This is why some prop firms they just be like creating rules just unnecessary. It just makes just trading unnecessarily harder than it needs to be. Bloody hell. But I guess if your hit rate is good, then you should be fine, right? Your managing risk should be okay.
So the drawdown continues to trail profits until it reaches your starting balance.
Which
So so basically what I'm understanding right now is if I could like if like let's say my first trade I make I my like my unrealized profit is like I said 26, my minimum account balance whatever remains
Yeah,
at 4,500. Let's say the next day like I get into a trade and I hit 26,500, right? Now
yeah.
my minimum account balance, like the least that I can have in the account is 2,500. It no longer will move from there.
It will stay at 2,500.
It'll stay at 2,500, and I think that that's to keep them safe.
Yeah, for sure, 100%. That's the
It
same there, but
it makes sense.
but not for the traders, right? For
I
them,
mean,
yeah, kind
but
of.
it's not bad though. I feel like that's a good way to view it because regardless of anything, like you want like let's say if we were to open an account today, right? You want to start with like let's just say 5K. And you don't want to go obviously lower than that. So like as you grow your account, like let's say you're at 7,000, like you wouldn't want to try to let yourself go less than like those 5,000 at that point.
Yeah, yeah,
And then you pull as you go and you try to grow the account as much as possible. So now your risk, like your overall risk long term wise is not, being affected. Like you still have those 5K to trade.
yeah, yeah. No, I get that.
So I get it. I kind of fuck with it. It really makes the trader like have to be on their toes and shit, you know?
Yep, yep, yep. All 10 toes. You gotta be on all them 10 toes.
It says no open positions during prohibited news.
And what they regard prohibited news.
All pro accounts must be out of all open positions and have no open orders 1 minute before, during, and 1 minute after any prohibited news events.
Oh, that's not bad for me.
Prohibited news events, all products.
Yeah.
FOMC statements, announcements, Wednesday at 2 p.m. The Fed speaks, FOMC meeting minutes are allowed. Non-farmer payroll, monthly, Fridays at 8:30 a.m. Consumer Price Index, CPI. In
Mhm.
addition to these news events, the following news events are prohibited for specific instruments. Crude oil inventories, prohibited product, crude oil. Bond auctions, prohibited products, 10-year note, 30-year bond. How to track prohibited news. Review marked with the red folder, USD currency on Forex Factory. All required news events also appear on the trader calendar for take profit trader calendar.
That's normal. 1 minute before, 1 minute after. That's fine. I can deal with that.
But I feel like it's also fair. Like they really are forcing the trader to not trade news and also saving themselves
Yeah.
while putting them in positions to. I kind of like it. I kind of fuck with it.
Yeah, no, no, there's some decent rules. I mean, as long as you stick to them, you'll be fine, right? It's not too bad.
I kind of fuck with it. Yeah. It says how to keep track of your drawdown.
We got -2 on that cell.
Hey. Yeah, man. It first trade and second trade were great. Second trade gave two TP2 though. Oh.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. CP2 allowed you to go to break even after two partials. Take that.
All right, so you can also just do a test, I think. Like a test account.
Hmm.
I think you get a test account when you get another account with them.
Or like a combine, a funded account. Or
I guess. Like when you buy like a combine, like that you get
like a demo account.
yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Gotcha.
So it says profit targets by account size. Each take profit trader account has its own required profit target. To see the exact target for your account size, check the tables provided for all account types. So for 25,000, you get 3 contracts. Profit target is 1,500. 50K, profit target's 3,000. You get 6 contracts, 75, 9 contracts, 4,500. 100,000, 12 contracts, 6,000, 1,500. 1,500. 15 contracts, 9,000. So with 25,000, you can get 30 micros.
Mhm.
You get 60 micros with 50,000, 90 micros with 75, 120 micros with 100,000, and 150,000, 150 for 150,000. Mhm. All right. Oh yeah. See that it makes sense. What
Why?
when we figured it out, the
Yeah.
like how it works.
Mhm.
It shows like the chart. It says if your starting balance is 25,000, um, your minimum account balance can be 23,500. If you get to 24,000, your minimum account balance is still 23,500. If you move up to 25,500, then your minimum account is 24,000. You move up to 26,500, you go up to 25,000, and even if you're at 28,000, your
Yeah.
minimum will stay 25.
At 25. Okay. So once you surpass that 25, you stay at 25.
once you surpass 26,500, like on a $25,000 account, basically.
Okay, once you get 1,500, you stay at 25. Okay, okay.
So really, and so realistically, what I'm viewing it as is like you want to try to stay above that 26,500 to leave you a buffer,
Right, 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 right. So
kind
even
of.
if you do take out money, you want to still remain at that 26,500, really and truly.
Yeah,
We're getting -3 here.
let's go. Wow, that's crazy movement. Oh wait, what am I doing? Okay.
But it's still a monthly thing or is a one-time payment thing?
Mm,
I forgot that if you had said it. I forgot. Because I know I heard them prices saying 150 for 25K. Is that a one-time thing? I gotta keep paying that every month. I'm about to milk all of these pop firms. They don't even know, man.
okay, the monthly fee for take profit trader is structured as follows: evaluation subscription. Traders pay a monthly subscription fee to participate in the evaluation process.
Okay, so once you pause, you don't pay no more.
Once a trader passes evaluation, there is a one-time activation fee for whatever the pro account. But that's what I was reading before.
That they waive that, right?
Yeah, if you apply the no fee 40 promo code,
Mhm.
during the no fee 40 limited time promo, you'll get a 40% lifetime discount off any accounts and have your 130 account activation fee waived on that account for life. What happens if I reset? Even if you reset, you will not lose your waived activation fee. Your activation fees are waived for life. Doesn't matter if you reset once, twice, or however many times, you'll never pay an activation fee on that active account.
All right, all right, all right. I can dig that. I can dig that.
Yeah.
Now it just depends on how, if it takes a month or 2 months or 3 months to pass that account, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Get a budget for that. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. It's made it to the list. Like I said, you had me at the LLC. That's where you had me. Like, I don't care about none of that. I like that part.
Yeah, because like when you can have it paid out to a LLC, you pay less taxes, no?
Hell yeah, the tax benefits makes up for the price that you're paying 100%. Everything's a write-off. Everything. Even that payment is a write-off. The payment for the account is a write-off.
Yeah, so I mean,
That is definitely one that I would long term trade with. But initially, I'm gonna grab the money of these other ones. And then once I get that LLC, I'm definitely gonna look into them. I like that.
I think I do like it as well. I think for me, I'm gonna stick with my top step. Once I can pass one account,
Yeah.
then look to scale just with
Hmm.
top step within top step, then maybe go. Well, no, I definitely want to try Lucid.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
And I think from those having those two, I'd try to keep those as long as possible
Hmm.
and potentially looking to take profit trade. 'Cause I mean, this shit looks very attractive and I think I might even follow the whole shebang itself for like what
Updates just to see what they're doing.
yeah, and like follow it for like once I open like a my own account, like a personal like live account.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to open a live account with Hanko Trade though.
With who?
Hanko Trade?
Hango?
Hanko?
Yeah, never heard of them.
Really?
Uh,
Hanko trade?
No, never heard of them. I like the look of the website. It's got a nice feel to it. Clean, straightforward. Don't fuck with that.
So I think I think it's kind of like Forex in a sense.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um, but I've heard a lot of good things about Hanko Trade. Like a lot of people that I follow and stuff, they use Hanko
They,
Trade.
they have futures.
I think it's not technically the same way as futures trading is.
Uh, CDF, I mean CFDs, whatever that shit
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
Giving me a continuation here. It's not doing it. I can do.
Yeah, like when my guy over here trades
Mhm.
like US 30,
Yeah.
he puts quantity 2. I don't know what like 2.00.
Mm. Maybe the lot size.
I want to assume so because let me see 4, 5, 840 minus what? I don't know how to do math.
Well, your favorite subject.
Yeah, like basically it's 20 I think it's like $20 a point, like a pip.
20?
Cause I just did math. I may be doing saying it wrong, but right now he had posted his thing
Mm-hmm.
and hold on. Dun-dun-dun-dun. He entered price at 25,732
Mm-hmm.
and price on this specific entry was at 25,833. So that's 108 like points.
Mm-hmm.
And he put the quantity was 2.00. So I multiplied 108 by 20 and it gave 2,000 160, which is basically what he had on here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's how much he made?
And that's how much he had.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, like it wasn't closed yet.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
It was
Mm,
still
mm.
moving. So I'm assuming like also what you pay for fees and shit.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Um so yeah, so each point I would say is about $20.
And he trades with them, the Henko, whatever they're called.
Yeah.
Mm.
But this is also US 30.
Right, right. Oh, okay, okay. Got you.
Let me see if I can find like a old maybe like a US like a NAS 100 one.
So did he take another trade after his L?
Yeah, I guess so. And I guess it went W.
Mm. Oi. Mhm. There was a 15-second continuation set up here, but that's not for me. Not for me. Not see nothing on the 1 minute. Nothing for me to do.
I mean, there's price came back into this order block, this 4 hour order block. Term breaker.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. From 2 a.m. Monday.
Yeah. That's all I see on the higher time frame.
Yeah. It gave me nothing. Nothing. So you've had enough. You've had enough.
Hmm. It's like let's see. Let's do some maths.
That was it right there, boy. That was it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What?
Quantity two quantities is 20 each point. Yeah, even on NAS.
That was the same.
Yeah, on Henko, it's the same.
What's the minimum capital to open an account with them?
I think 1,000.
1,000? Okay.
ECN accounts 100.
Mhm.
Yeah. ECN is 1,000. Commission is $2 on 100. I don't know what any of this means. I don't even gonna try to speak it. What's STP? You know what a STP is?
STP?
Yeah.
No, no idea. You ready for a trade performance review?
Straight through process. Yes.
Straight through process?
Yeah, it says it's a trading model used by brokers to send your orders directly to the real market without any manual interference in the system. There's no dealing desk, meaning the broker doesn't trade against you or decide your prices.
Mm. Ah, I don't think we'll get anything in the next 2 minutes. So unless you want to wait for the next 2 minutes.
Not really. I'm not getting into anything. I took my L
Okay.
for the day.
Yeah, and you're done. That's it. That's it. That's all. So what did you do well today then, you think?
Um, Today I think what I did well was show up. Um, I took a trade that I would have taken any other day, so I don't think that that was wrong of me. Just price does what it does. So
Yeah, fair. You're not gonna win them all, right? We're all gonna take the only thing promised to us is losses. For me, it was showed up, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session. Showed up, followed my procedures and protocols, and didn't deviate from it. Saw my setup, executed. It was a L, hey, that's the only thing promised to us. I had time, it gave me another opportunity. I entered and it did what it's supposed to do. So very happy and pleased with my performance. Nothing I would change from it. Where I fell short today will be wake up time and not completing all my morning routine. Chart wise, I don't think I fell short anywhere. Um, yeah, pretty much. What about you? What would you say you fell short today?
I think I fell short today in, I would say maybe risk.
Risk?
Like like understanding where we were in price.
Mm-hmm.
Um, like having previous day low taken and then being in the dealing range, having dealing range high get taken. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and kind of like looking for that reversal to happen that's been happening recently.
Yeah.
So I would say, but like knowing that risk and maybe having not, managed it in the sense of like lowering it, knowing that, nothing is really clear cut because dealing range high got taken and previous day
Oh,
taken. So
yeah, yeah, yeah.
we
Yeah.
really are in like a choppy
Right, right. It's opposite spectrums of the dealing range. Yeah, 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 yeah.
at opposites zone attract. So
Yeah. Yeah, they do. Opposites do attract. They're the only
that's
ones
why we're
that
stuck in the middle.
But no, I mean that's a lesson that you take into your next trading session, right? So when you have contradicting dealing ranges, then you're like, okay, well now I need to reduce risk in the trades that I take because I'm getting two opposite, one is saying it's a sell program, the other is saying it's a buy program, right? So yeah, that's a good lesson to take out of today. Where I said where I fell short. What can you do to improve for next day, next trading session?
Next day, next trading session, just keep showing up, keep polishing the strategy and setups, and work more on the trader. That's it. I think for me right now, it's working on the trader.
Okay, that's fair. Yeah, you are the main ingredient here, so for sure, 100%. For me, it will be keep showing up, right? Keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity. 11-11.
I was
Losses.
I wish.
Yeah. Losses, series of losses deter me, distract me. We've got a solid ground and solid foundation. I'm happy and pleased that I've been able to be disciplined and consistent in following my procedure and protocols, and the results is speaking for itself, right? I'm just showing up, doing the same thing each and every day, and the results is starting to speak for itself. So I'm very happy and pleased with everything that's going on here. Um, yeah, just keep showing up, taking small steps in the right direction, and eventually we'll get to our destination. Don't let any outside agents or anything going on interfere with what you got going on here. I was telling DJ earlier this morning that I was very happy with yesterday when I showed up. I was like obviously mentally fatigued and physically fatigued, but I still didn't like bring any of that into the charts. I just showed up. I know what I'm looking for. I saw it, executed, and there was no tiredness in anything here. So I'm very happy with my performance so far this week. It's been a
Yes,
solid
yes.
week so far in the 2 days that we've had.
Yeah.
We've had news today, still NFP Tuesday. All right, we'll be back for PM session kicking off at 1:20. Until then, we're done for the morning, solid morning session. Won't change anything about it really and truly. And then 2 p.m. session, DJ. That's it from us here. I'm the trader. You know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader here signing out. Good luck, good trading as always. Happy hunting.
Toodles.
Yeah, buddy.